From locked-up beginnings to lighting up Africa, Akon's journey is no ordinary story. He gave us chart-topping hits, launched Lady Gaga, and is now literally building a futuristic city. But behind the fame and global success lies a past full of hustle, hardship, and big dreams. So how did Akon go from prison bars to billionaire blueprints? Akon, a name that ruled the 2000s, but beyond the platinum records and catchy melodies, he's also a businessman, philanthropist, and visionary with a dream to light up Africa, literally. Let's dive deep into the extraordinary life, net worth, and mission of Akon. Born as Alioune Damala Badara Akon Thiam on April 16, 1973, in St. Louis, Missouri, Akon spent much of his childhood in Senegal, a country he brought forth from Africa to the US. Akon experienced culture shocks, poverty, and even brushes with the law. He found himself involved in car theft and was eventually jailed, a dark chapter that would later inspire his breakout hit, Locked Up. After getting out, Akon turned his pain into purpose. In 2004, his debut album, Trouble, dropped, and the lead single, Locked Up, took over the streets and radio stations worldwide. The follow-up track, Lonely, showcased his unique voice, raw, emotional, and instantly recognizable. Then came the collaborations, Eminem, Snoop Dogg, Gwen Stefani, Michael Jackson, the list is legendary. By the late 2000s, Akon wasn't just making hits, he was launching careers. He signed Lady Gaga before the world even knew her name, and helped T-Pain bring auto-tune into the mainstream. Like many stars, Akon had his share of controversies. From provocative stage performances to legal issues and false imprisonment claims, his past followed him. But unlike others, he didn't let the drama define him. Instead, he used it as fuel to go even bigger. Public estimates put Akon's net worth at around. Akon's taste in rides is straight up luxurious. His garage reportedly includes a Ferrari 458 Italia, Porsche Panamera, Lamborghini Murcielago, Rolls-Royce Ghost, and more. Each car is a mix of elegance and power, just like his career. Akon owns a massive mansion in Atlanta, packed with high-end decor, a home studio, indoor pool, and state-of-the-art security. But the crown jewel is what he's building, Akon City, with smart homes, resorts, malls, and tech hubs, all running on solar energy. Think Wakanda, but real. Beyond music and business, Akon is focused on impact. From healthcare and education projects to supporting African entrepreneurs through his cryptocurrency, he's constantly investing in the future of the continent. He once said, "You don't need $1 billion to change 1 billion lives," but Akon might just do both. Akon keeps his personal life low-key, but it's known that he practices Islam, has multiple children, and supports polygamy. Something that has sparked debate online. He's private but real, never hiding who he is, even when it's controversial. Like many celebs, Akon has been a target of fake death rumors. But just to be clear, Akon is alive, thriving, and still pushing new projects across music, tech, and philanthropy. He's a force, a true icon who's flipped pain into power, fame into purpose, and music into a mission. If you found Akon's journey as inspiring as his music, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of your favorite icons.